In this video, we'll show you how to use the Bookmarks bar to organise your website in the browser Chrome. You'll notice that in my Bookmarks bar here, on the left side, I have logos only. On the right side, I have logos and names of the websites. And in the middle here are some folders. Now, to add a new bookmark, let's say I want to add BBC News as my new bookmark. I go to the website, and on the right of the address bar, I click the star. Now, it's going to suggest to me that I call this bookmark Home BBC News. I'm going to make it slightly simpler and just call it BBC News, and then click Done. You'll notice now that this has been added to my Bookmarks bar with the logo and the name I chose. The logo, by the way, is taken from the little logo that's on top of the tab for any website. Now, for the BBC one, I would recognise that logo anywhere, so I don't feel I need the name with it as well. So for a second, let's delete that one by right-clicking, or two fingers click if you're on a Chromebook, and click Delete. I go back to the BBC and I'm going to click on the star to add it again. But this time, that name section is going to be left completely blank. What that does is just gives me the logo so I can fit more things onto my bookmarks and keep it a bit tidier. For other websites, if I'm not going to recognize the logo immediately, I might need to add the words. If I want to move it around, I click and hold, I move it and drop it wherever I want. Now, if I want a folder to keep bookmarks in, I'm going to right-click in any blank space on my bookmark bar and click Add Folder. Let's call this one News, and then hit Save. There's the folder there. I can drag and drop any of my bookmarks and drop it into there. And let's say I want to add another website, so I'm going to add Sky News here. Click the arrow, delete what's in the box if I want to keep it clear. And in the folder section, if I choose News and go to Done, it will automatically be added to that folder. So now I can click on News, and there's my two bookmarks right there. There you go. It's a very simple introduction to bookmarks, how to add them, and how to keep your bookmarks bar that little bit tidier.